students, today we will do exercise 4.4. So the first question is, set up an equation and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. The first part, the A part is, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Okay? Add 4 to 8 times a number. You don't know the number, so we can take it as x. So we will take, let the number be, x. So according to the question, ATQ, according to question, what is there? Add 4 to, add means plus. 4 you have to add to 8 times a number. 8 times a number means 8x. And you get how much? 60. Okay? Add 4 to 8 times a number. 8 times a number means 8x. And how much you have to add with it? 4 you have to add, and you will get how much? 60. So this is the equation. Okay, we have to set up the equation first, and then we have to solve it also. So now we have to solve. See, 4 plus 8x. X is this unknown. So this 4 will be transposed to the RHS. So when this 4 will be transposed, what it will become? This is, no sign is here, means it is having plus sign. So when it is transposed to the RHS, it will become minus 4. So 8x is equal to how much? 60 minus 4 is 56. Now again, this 8 is multiplied with x. So we want what? X. So this 8 will be transposed to the RHS, and when we transpose it, it will come in divide. It will become divided by 8. 56 divided by 8. And 56 divided by 8 is how much? 8 sevens are 56. So the value of x is 7. So the unknown quantity is x. So this is the required solution. Now students, the B part. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So 1/5 of a number. So again we will take the number as x. So we will write, let the number be, x. So according to question, 1/5 of the number. 1/5 means 1 by 5 of the number means into x. Minus 4 gives you 3. Okay, so this is the equation. Now we have to solve it. So how we will do? So this is the variable. Okay, so this term will be in the LHS only. This 4 will be transposed, and we transpose it to the RHS. It is minus 4 here. On transposing, it becomes plus 4. So how much we will have? 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. Now we can do cross multiplication. I told you whenever we have fractions on both the sides, we will do cross multiplication. And cross multiplication means, see this x, 1 upon 5x. X means x is in the numerator. So this x will be multiplied with 1 is equal to, and this 5 will be multiplied by 7. X into 1 is x only. 7 into 5 is 35. So the value of x here is 35. Now students, the C part. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. 3/4 of a number. So number we will take as x. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. 3/4 of a number. So let the number be x. Okay. Now 3/4. 3/4 means, so according to the question, 3/4 of the number means 3/4 x. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, add means plus 3 to it, 3 if we add to it, I get find the unknown quantity here. Unknown number here is x. So first this will be transposed to the RHS because we want x, and this term contains x, so it will remain in the LHS only. So we will have this is equal to 21, and when this is transposed it will become minus 3. Okay, LHS as it is. RHS 21 minus 7, 3. 21 minus 3 is how much? 19. Sorry, 18. Okay, 21 minus 3 is 18. 18 means 18 upon 1. Now again I told you when we have fractions on both sides we can use cross multiplication method. So 3x into 1 is 3x and 4 into 18. 4 into 18. 3x into 1, 3x is equal to 4 into 18. Now this is multiplied, so we want x. Okay, so this 3 will be transposed, and on transposing it will be in divide. Sorry, 3. Okay, this 3 will come in the divide. Now 3 6 are 18, and x will be what? 6 4s are 24. So the value of x here is 24. Students, now the E part. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 15. He finds the result to be 8. Okay, so the number of notebooks. He has. So he has x notebooks. Okay, we can take the number of notebooks be x. So according to question, he subtracts thrice the number of this. Thrice the number of notebooks he subtracts from 50. 50 minus this. Okay, 50 minus 3x, he finds the result to be 8. The result is 8. So we can write the statement like this. This is the equation. We have to find 3x here. Okay, so 3x will remain here. This 50 will be transposed, and when we transpose it, it will become minus 15. Okay, so we have the 8 minus 50. Plus minus is minus. 50 minus 8 is how much? 42. Minus 42. Okay. Now, the greater number sign. What we want x. So x will be, this will be in divide. Minus minus cancel. 42 divided by 3 is 3 ones are 3 fourths are. So the value of x is 14. So he has how many notebooks? X. Okay. So this is the required solution. Now students, the G part. Unword things of a number. If it takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. Takes away means minus. Okay. So let the number be x. We can take the number as x. If he takes away 7, means minus 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. 5 by 2 of this. 5 by 2 of x. Okay. The result is 23. The result is 23. So this is the equation. We have to find the x here. Okay. So this will be transposed first of all because this contains x. So 5 by 2x will be as it is. This minus 7 when transposed becomes plus 7. Plus 7. So this implies 5 by 2x is equal to 23 plus 7 is how much? 30. 30 means 30 upon 1. I told you when we have fractions we can use cross multiplication. 5x into 1 is 5x and 30 into 2. Okay. So 5x into 1, 5x is equal to 30 into 2. No need to multiply it because it will cancel. So it is easier while cancelling. So no need to multiply. So 5 into x. So this 5 into transposed and it will become divided by 5. Now 30 and 5 will be cancelled. 5, 6 are 30. And 6 into 2 is how much? 12. 6 into 2 is 12. So the value of x is 12, which is the required answer. So students, you have to do the remaining parts of this question. Few parts I have shown you how you have to do. A few parts are left that you can try yourselves in your rough notebooks of question number 1 only.